friend, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If so you can subscribe. The button is always down below. Post beauty, lifestyle, panning, and more. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing my October Ipsy. Finally, I have no idea in what order my videos are going up because I plan on filming a few of them today. But yeah, we're here to do my October Ipsy, which I'm very excited about. So let's just get right into it. And of course, I'm doing somewhat a try on today. I figured today is the perfect day to do it since we have like 90% makeup, which I love when my bags are like this. So great. We love it. So yeah, let's get right to it. This is my Ipsy and stuff. This is what this month's bag looks like. It has been sitting on my desk for a week, so it's a little dirty. It's basically just a black bag and it has like detailing that makes it look like a cute little bat. You can sort of see it and stuff. Super cute. And then it has like a spider on it. There's a cute little spider, which we love. And Ipsy is, I believe, $12 a month now, and then they also charge you like a $1 shipping fee. So it's subscriptions are climbing, which is crazy because I remember when this was literally $10, and actually it might even be $14 and then $1 shipping. I forget. I will put it on the screen because I can't remember. And then they also have a Glam Bag Plus, which I believe is $27, and then they have the Glam Bag Ultimate, which I believe is around $50 and stuff. And that one's only quarterly, so it's 4 times a year. You get it in February. I believe it's February, April, August, and November. So yeah, let's open her up. And then in there you get your card, which this month's theme is Halloween. Halloween and stuff. And then you get your products listed on there. And there's always fun things on the card. So I love the cards and stuff and love the themes. So the first thing I'm going to try out is this powder. This is from Ciate London. This is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. That's what it looks like. And this is yet again another translucent powder. Did you just see that spurt? Did you just see some of that just fall out? Yeah, that was clever of me. But we're gonna go ahead and start using this. I like this under my eyes. I have already tested all these products, but I figured I'd just give you guys a try on because I love this. So I've already liked this powder. It's actually kind of good that I've used these products a bit because I can kind of tell you my opinions on them. But I really like that powder. For like a translucent powder, it's one of my favorites. And it basically, this is a light powder that doesn't clump, crease, or clog pores and helps reduce excess oil, shine for all day. And the tip is to tap excess powder off brush to keep layers light and undetectable, which, you know, I didn't really do, but I could. And this the full size of this, because this is only like a deluxe size sample, retails for $22. But I love this stuff to go like around my T-zone, forehead. I always do like the under eye area because it's an area that gets just has the tendency to crease, but I especially love doing around my nose since I wear glasses. It doesn't necessarily really work, like it's not foolproof, but it does a good job. I just like to put those all over. It's probably one of my favorite translucent powders I've tried in a bit, so I really like it. And $22 is not too bad for a powder, to be honest. It's not too bad. So I really like this, and yeah, I've been enjoying that powder. It's been really nice. So the next thing that I got in here I actually picked, and that is a palette. This is from the brand Trend Beauty, which I've never heard of, and this is the Glam Babe palette. This is a full-size palette, and I'll give you guys more information on it. It's cruelty-free. Ciate, I believe, is also cruelty-free, and this is what the colors look like. I was sold on the Color Story. They're just so beautiful. Like, they really are just so beautiful. You have all these pretty shades, and yeah, I can't wait to like try some of them on my eyes today. I might also try swatching. We'll see. But let's try it on my eyes. Prime for a second. I'm not sure if I want to do colorful look today. Do I want to do just your basic look today? I don't know. What will I want to do? Just gonna take any excess powder that's on there and set those lids. So I think first I'll take the shade Original, which is that one, and just apply that to my crease. I'm actually gonna zoom you guys in a bit. But yeah, I'm gonna put this into my crease. Not really neat, but not too messy. So nice. Like the mattes are so nice. I haven't used a lot of the shimmers yet, but I've used a few. I haven't really used the bold shimmers quite yet. Just kind of your basic colors. I think I'm going to take the color Fame on my lids today. I'm going to try that one out. I'm going to use my glitter primer just because it really works. It's already so pretty. Like, I wasn't even anticipating like that deep of a purple. It's literally gorgeous. I'm like loving the vibe. It definitely like just applies so much better with a glitter primer, and I typically do that with shadows anyways, so I don't really ever use pure pigment. Like, I typically don't ever. There is a bit of fallout, but it swipes away very easily, so I'm not too concerned by that. But yeah, it's just with a glitter primer, it just applies so nicely. And yeah, it gives you a nice purple. I also want to take the shade Hollywood and go into my inner corner with this one and maybe a tiny bit on my brows. And then I'm going to take, just with no pure or extra pigment, I'm going to take a crease brush and just blend the edges. I've only really done 2 colors, so not too bad. And then this time I did add a little bit. So pretty. And then I might even take that lighter shade and just go over all that. And then doing a little bit more of that Hollywood shade. And like, how pretty is that? Like, I really like that palette. The shimmers are really pretty, especially with the glitter glue. I've only really used Dazzle Hollywood, and then I just used that shade, and that brown, but I can't wait to use more of the shades. And I believe I used Charming, which is that gold shade, but I can't wait to use more of the shades. That palette is full size, of course, so that palette retails for $12.50, so it basically almost pays for this bag, which is crazy. But yeah, that almost pays for the bag, which is crazy. And yeah, love that. We have 3 more things to try. 2 of them will be on camera. I'm gonna go in with this first. This is the Jasmine Beauty Lip Lock lipstick in Stay Cozy. It's a cute little lipstick. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna put some of this on. It's like supposed to be like a mauve shade. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size lipstick does retail for $20. The lip lock color and luminosity, high coverage lipstick and rosy mauve shade. The satin finish stays smudge proof and doesn't dry your lips. Thanks to hydrating formula. It says apply to your lips and blot to blend in triple coverage. I don't know, I'm kind of digging it like that. It's super pretty. Love it. And yeah, nice, cool, nice color for fall. So I love that little baby lipstick. And then the last thing I have to actually try, like on camera right now, is this mascara. This is the Magic Feather Intense Volume Mascara from Dido. Yep, from Dido. This is a deluxe size sample, retails for $12. Well, the full size of this product actually retails for $12, but this is just a baby little sample. That's what it looks like. And then this is what the brush looks like. It's a nice curved wand, which I always like. I always enjoy wands that are like that because you can just like say upturn. It's kind of like upturned, like curved. and then you can go right on your lashes. This is a buildable mascara, but it doesn't begin to describe volumizing and lengthening formula. No matter how many coats you apply, you'll never see any clumpage. So apparently it's supposed to give long lashes, no clumps. So we'll see about that. Gonna zoom in, I guess, while I do this. Got my mirror, and let's see. Yeah, it does give, like, I've used it a few times and it does give nice length and somewhat volume. I don't know how to describe it. Like, it's not like a wet formula, it's kind of dry. But yeah, it's not very clumpy and it does give really good length, which I like. Yeah, that's what it gives my lashes. Like, they look just so, like, just, I don't know. I feel like it gives good volume and length, and they look good. So I'm gonna go finish off my face, which I actually don't have much to do from here. So I'll be back real fast. I mean, it's always fast for you guys because I literally cut to that clip. You're not waiting. I'm just waiting for myself. Okay, so the last thing I have to talk about, I guess I am technically trying this. This is from Velvet Commodity, or Commodity Velvet, what is it called? Commodity Velvet. And this is a perfume and stuff. Was just always tricky because everyone has very, like, different perfumes work differently for other people. Like, we all have our own body chemistry. But this one I really like, and stuff. I'm gonna spray some on. This is such a warm scent to me. So the Velvet Deep notes are, for this perfume are vanilla, rose, amber, sheer musk. Greet the senses with a warm, welcoming hug. The dry down reveals an unexpected, delicate, smoky silage and breathable indulgence when it meets a bare skin. Apply lotion to your skin before spritzing your fragrance for a longer lasting scent. That's actually a really good tip. And the full size of this for 100 ml retails for $135, which for a perfume, yeah, that's spendy, but that's kind of, I feel like, standard. And yeah, so I really like this month's bag. I thought it was really good. I really like the powder that I got. This powder. I like the mascara. The lipstick is nice. I like the palette. I liked everything in my bag, which is always great. And next month will be the Glam Bag X. So it's a bigger Glam bag, which I'm super excited about. Becky, I forget who's curating it. It might be Becky G. I'm pretty sure it is. So gonna be good. And I'm really excited about it. So I hope you guys will. So please subscribe if you haven't already. I post videos every single week. Panning content mostly, but I do other things as well. I just haven't recently. It's been panning. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.